What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is B-Side Investing. So if you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And like I promised, this is our kind of like the weekly update now. So Wednesday, right? So okay. So what we'll cover today is the Tuesday movement of Bitcoin just before the market open, the flash crash and all that stuff. And then we'll go through our portfolio, see, what's, which company's moving, So we'll do that. And then, right. So like, as you can see, we're sitting at 79.33. Right. As always, before moving forward, I'm just going to show you the past transactions and activity. So haven't changed since June, same as last week. Okay, so we're sitting at 7,900. Not bad. I mean, I believe we fell down to like 73, 74. Okay, so we went down all the way to 7,400, but then we came back and recovered really nicely. All right, let's see. Because over here on, yesterday, when we were sitting really well. I mean, come market close, we were sitting at $8,600, which is a nice increase from $8,400, which we were at. And so we're doing down about, $700, $600. Not bad. But yeah, you can see the movement here, right? So right now we're kind of recovered, kind of. We're kind of in this stage right here, September 3 stage, but yeah, last Friday. So we're doing fine. Today we're kind of down 2%, not bad. Yeah, okay. Let's see. So Bitcoin has been, you already know, it kind of did a flash crash. So on the weekend, it was going really well, and Labor Day Monday as well. On Monday, came all the way up to 52.9, which is really good. But as always, when there's a really consistent movement up, like from 46 to 53, almost 53 here, there's always going to be people betting and doing stupid shit. So here we are. This thing got liquidated like crazy. Let's see. So, yeah, so almost 5,400 BTC, almost $250 million worth of Bitcoin, long position liquidated in BTC USD market. So in the last 2 hours. So pretty much this is from September 7th, around 12:20. So, yeah, so the flash crash kind of wiped out about $400 billion worth of market cap, the market value of the crypto market. Which the timing was kind of weird. I mean, it was the day when El Salvador, the president, they were buying Bitcoin, and also they were also buying the dip. So I think they were buying like 500. They had like 500 Bitcoin. So yeah, so the total holding is 550 Bitcoin total, and looks like they made additional purchase of 150 here. So it's not that big compared to like the companies on like MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor's company. Like they have like hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin. If we go here, we can see which one has the most. So yeah, MicroStrategy, they have 105,000 Bitcoin. Ridiculous, holy cow. So, and I don't think they're the biggest. Block One, Shanghai based, those are private companies. But yeah, Grayscale Bitcoin, they are the biggest, 654,000 Bitcoin, almost $30 billion in valuation. Jesus. Yeah, so that's ridiculous. They have 3% of 21 million total supply of Bitcoin. That's ridiculous. Okay. But yeah, okay. So that's what happened, and we went all the way down to 43 and then came back to 47, and it's been kind of hovering around there for now. So it's not gonna I don't think it's going to go any lower than 45, 44. Hopefully this week it kind of recovers back to like 47, 48. 48, 49, that range. But yeah, so in terms of the companies, HUT is doing amazing. They had the news of their production update for the month of August, and it's been 5 days and they're still doing really good. There hasn't been any news, and they're doing the best among all the crypto miners. Crazy. And once again, reminding you, there wasn't any news today for HUT. And NDA is doing kind of okay, but Bitfarm and Hive, they had the news today, and Hive kind of following like the other companies here down below: Argo, Marathon, and Riot, DMG, big banks. So they're on the negative. I thought they would at least get a boost with the news that they, with the production update that they did. And Bitfarm looks like at least they ended up, with a positive. It's something. So after hours, they're doing fine. 1.69, and how does that 2? And if you look at Hive, it's at 1.57. So yeah. All right. So I'll have to make video on the Bitfarm and the Hive monthly update, their update. So that'll come out separate. I'm not gonna dive in too much into them, but Bitfarm is looking like the winner in terms of the August update so far, with the Canadian miners at least, because it's just a competition between Hut 8 and Bitfarm at this time, like at this moment right now. So Bitfarm is killing it. So we can go into Bitfarm, their Twitter. You can see. I'm not gonna dive too much because, like I said, I'm gonna do the video. But I just wanted to share the numbers here. So 354 BTC mined in August, which is not as much as July, but still, it's good. It's good update right there. What else they had? Okay, yeah, I think that was it. So yeah, anything up here? Right, they also deposited 2028 Bitcoin, and they had it in custody. Looks like they are valuing it at a BTC price of 50,000 at 100 USD, million USD. That's gonna fluctuate, but yeah, you get the general idea about where their coins are valued at. So yeah, okay. So if we have another flash crash, or if we have another crash before the end of the year, like a good 10-20% crash, I'm gonna buy into Bitfarm and HUT. So I know the prices are kind of up there right now, that they're sitting at 12.9. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. Just about a month, no, 2 months, yeah, July, they were sitting at 4. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. And they just went on a crazy run all the way up to 13. But yeah, we're sitting at oh my god, yeah, 174%. That's crazy. I mean, I haven't been paying attention to the stocks here, but they're doing pretty good. Bingo's down, that's fine. Bitfarm's up 55%. Good. I like that. The total value is above 1200 right now, so that's good. DigiHost, we're up $130. Alright, that's fine. Hive, we're up 60%. Awesome. Look at this. Hut 8, it's valued at $2,400. We're up $1,500 on Hut 8. And I believe Hut 8 is going to be okay. Only 31%. That's fine. Still some room to grow with these companies, like I said. So Bitfarm is kind of lacking behind right now in terms of the share price, but it's still there, like at $7. I believe they are let me see. Let me just refresh this. This is the Canadian price here, Canadian dollar, 1.24 billion, compared to HUD's 1.8 billion. So yeah, so HUD is just taking off. I think it's a combination of everything that's going on, and also with their deposits, like how much Bitcoin they're hodling. So yeah, they're just killing it at $1.8 billion valuation. So Bitfarm still has some room to grow. Q3, Q4 outlook so far, they're going to be the same, about the same, looks like, Q4. But here is where, next year is where the difference is, right here. So you can see between, they have a 6 exahash goal, and Bitfarm has a confirmed order, and I believe the delivery is starting Q1 here, and also the Argentina facility should be ready by Q1, and that's when the delivery will happen. But of course, it could always be delayed, but that's the schedule for now. So yeah, okay. Hopefully, caught you guys up here with my portfolio, and also looking at CMC here. So the market cap of the crypto, it was sitting at like 2.3 something trillion dollars. So crazy drop on Tuesday, but it's recovering, so that's good. We know that Bitcoin, Ethereum, they dropped because Ethereum was sitting at like 3,900. But there is one coin that just did not drop, and that's Solana. Solana is killing it. Oh my god. If you've been watching this channel for like at least since April, I've been saying Solana is one of my favorites. So yeah, I mean, look at them right now. They were sitting at like 20-25 rank, and now they're at 6. So their market cap is rising really fast. Yeah, crazy. 194, 92 dollars. Jesus, they're just doing crazy. Let's look at the 1 month chart here. Bam. I think I'm up like 200 something percent on Solana, which is ridiculous. So yeah, guys, just do your research with these coins and just the companies. I mean, just do the heavy lifting. The initial stages, just do the heavy lifting first. Just do your research, look into companies and industries you're interested in, and also make sure that the companies or the industry that you're looking into has a great future outlook, that you won't be capsized by the failure of the market. So yeah, I mean, crypto, blockchain, we're just I believe we're just scratching the surface. I mean, realistically, it's only been 10 years, less than 10 years, since Bitcoin really became like a thing. So I mean, it's still new. Oh my god, we still have a long way to go. So yeah, jeez, I have most of these coins here, and Chainlink hasn't moved for me. I mean, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I mean, look at this. They're not doing that hot. Yeah, I haven't really moved that much. They went all the way down to $13, but did recover well. So that's why you gotta diversify. I think I have like 15 plus coins invested in, so it's not just one or two that I'm looking into. The negatives kind of like kind of make up for the positives, kind of make up for the negatives that I do have. Not too many negatives actually, mostly positive. I think I have like maybe Dogecoin is a negative, BTC maybe, And then I think that's about it. Oh, bakery token. Yeah, bakery token too. So, and yeah. Okay, so right, so I'm gonna do the Bitfarm video tomorrow. Release it tomorrow, and then Hive also do their August update video, and I think that will be it. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, in terms of our progress, I don't think anyone can deny, how good we're doing. We're at about 100% right now, so we're sitting pretty good. I mean, compared to my goal of 40% this year, we're doing just fine. I just have to make sure to consistently invest and kind of like at least dollar cost average into my positions already. The companies I'm already invested in, I know what they're gonna do. They're gonna perform in the long term. In the short term, it's hard to tell, but in the long term, it's gonna do just fine. But yeah, I just gotta pull in more cash, not to worry about this percentage too much, and put more money. And obviously, when you put more money, that's gonna keep dropping. And so yeah, right. So I think that's it for this one. Please feel free. Always do your research, but feel free to check out other content. Like I said, I'm kind of busy with the kind of like a switch in career, so I'm studying a lot. So yeah, these videos, I'll try to bring in more videos, but the frequency, hopefully, for now, I hope this is fine, the Wednesday update. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.